Hey guys, it's Kay. Of course, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a wig sent from Sunber Hair. Just in case you are interested, like always, the links and details will be listed in my description box. So yeah, let's hop into this wig. Inside the box, we have the wig. We also have a pick. This is the first time a company has ever sent me a pick to go with curly hair, because I've been wanting to like pick the roots a little bit to make the wig bigger. So yeah, I can appreciate that. Next, we have a elastic headband to melt down your lace, and we also have another one. We have a wig cap, and we have some false nails, which are really cute. And now onto the wig. This is what the wig looks like. It is a curly textured wig, and it's 24 inches long. I think it already comes with a pre-cut lace, if I'm not mistaken. This is what the hairline looks like, and it is set as a middle part, which I believe you can part it on the side as well. So let's see construction. Yeah, so this is a pre-cut lace, and this is what the lace looks like against my skin. Really nice. As you can see, the hairline is already pre-plucked. The knots are bleached, and you don't have to cut off any lace. This is the inside of the cap. We have this is a new one. This is very stretchy, but it also has the grips on it so it won't move. I appreciate this one. This one seems more flexible and comfortable. And it also has a grippy piece on the bottom as well. You have one comb in the back. You also have your adjustable straps. And here is that little grippy piece so your wig will stay put. In the front, we have the lace. And I'll put on the screen the lace details, because I'm not really sure. It looks like a 5x5, but I could be wrong. Yeah, it looks like a 5x5, but if I'm wrong, I will leave it on the screen. But I'm pretty sure that's what that is. This is pretty. I might just not wear a stocking cap. Let's see what this wig is doing. So far, so good. I feel like the fit is really nice. And I don't have anything adjusted at this point. Oh my gosh, like this wig is pretty. She is cute. This is what the hairline is looking like. Really nice. But you can give yourself a side part, and it's pretty off to the side. So, or you can always shift the wig, like if you want it, if you want your part deeper. But this is cute. This is what we looking like. I actually love the fit of this wig. It's really, really nice. Alright, so right now this has to be at least like 80% dry. So I might come back when it's fully dry, but right now this is what it looks like, and I think that these curls are beautiful. A great density, not too much going on. And as you can see, it was an easy application. I didn't do anything to the hairline. I didn't apply powder. The only thing I did was define the part a little bit more. And the curls, define the curls, but that's it. So if you are interested in this wig, like I said, all the links will be left in my description box. But y'all, she is really pretty. Really cute.